Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best car paint chip repair kits on Amazon. No matter how careful you might be, small dings and signs of damage are just a fact of life as a car owner. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Trynova Scratch Swirl Remover. Trynova is a well-known and trusted brand when it comes to car enthusiasts who want to take better care of their vehicle. Its kit may not look like much, but it's priced well and well-liked for several reasons. Starting off, it comes with a 12-ounce bottle of formula that removes light scratches without an issue. It also comes with a buffer pad to make things a bit easier for you. It's so good at what it does that your vehicle may look like it got a brand new paint job once you're finished buffing out those scratches. Yes, it may be time-consuming, but the end result is worth the effort. However, like other choices, it is only designed to fix light scratches and may have a more difficult time repairing larger ones. It also may not work that great on black paint. Number 2. Strife and Fill Paint Pen. If you own a vehicle with a matte black paint job, the Strife and Paint Repair Pen is a great option for repairing small or more significant chips, as well as scratches and other potential signs of exterior damage. It's ideal for little touch-ups and car owners who don't want to perform a whole extensive process for just a bit of chipping. This car paint chip repair pen is easy to use and control. You use it just like you would a typical pen, pressing down gently to get the black paint inside flowing onto your vehicle's exterior. You don't need to perform any special repair work before using this paint pen, though if your car surface does show rust, you'll want to sand that away first. Number 3. Majis Easy Auto Scratch Repair Easy. This scratch and chip repair kit is designed for cars with a unique color, where you have to blend a few colors to get a precise match for your vehicle. Majis Easy offers a drip-free kit that comes with 2 tubes, which come in black, white, silver, gray metallic, white pearl metallic, or black metallic. One end of the tube has a nozzle that can be directly applied to the damage, and the other end is spatula-like to help level the gel. The gels fill up cracks, scratches, and gouges to leave a smooth glossy finish, which you can buff out to get a dry matte look. It dries up in seconds without runs or blobs, and you can expect the touch-up to last for at least 3 years. The product is also safe to use on most parts of your vehicle, including the roof, doors, hood, side mirror, and bumpers. However, it can prove to be a bit challenging to mix and match the colors if you are a first-time user. You may end up wasting a lot of the gel in the process. Number 4. Bondo Scratch and Rock Chip Repair Kit. If you're looking for a car paint chip repair kit that'll have you covered in a variety of situations, the Bondo Scratch and Rock Chip Repair Kit is exactly what you need. This easy-to-use and permanent paint solution is so easy to use that it'll have your vehicle's exterior looking like new in less than 1 hour. Speedy and time-saving, this chip repair product features everything you need to cover chips and protect your vehicle once again. It offers a variety of paint colors to choose from, so you can achieve a close, if not flawless, finish. In addition to the paint itself, you'll also get Bondo glazing and spot putty, Bondo spreader, and 2 grit levels of 3M sandpaper, 180 and 320 grits. There's no mixing required. Once you prime the area and apply the paint, you'll be finished. And there's enough product to cover 80 square inches of surface area too. Number 5. PAINT2 Fix Automotive Touch-Up Paint. PAINT2 Fix offers a potent blend of products and quality when it comes to its automotive touch-up paint kits. Each kit is designed specifically for the individual colors per manufacturer, and PAINT2 Fix promises a 100% match guarantee for each of those shades. As long as you select the correct make and model, you'll have everything you need to complete your paint chip repairs in one package. As much as this kit is easy to use straight out of the box, we were unsure whether it includes a sealing product or not. Sealing your paint chip repairs is just as important as applying the clear coat as original. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.